In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an attachment in Gmail to your computer or laptop. This is a simple and straightforward process, but having a clear understanding will help ensure you don't miss a step. Whether you're downloading important documents, images, or any other type of file, these tips will guide you smoothly through the process. First things first, you'll need to open Gmail in the web browser of your choice. Once you're logged in, go directly to your inbox and identify the specific email containing the attachment you wish to download. It helps to use the search bar at the top if you're dealing with a packed inbox. Simply type in relevant keywords or the sender's name to find the email more efficiently. Once located, open the email to reveal its contents, including the attached files. After opening the email, scroll down to the bottom. You'll see thumbnails of any attachments included in the message. Take a moment here to ensure you're about to download the correct file, especially if there are multiple attachments. Now, without clicking, hover your mouse over the thumbnail of the attachment you want to save. You'll notice some icons appear over the attachment. These are your control buttons for dealing with files directly from your Gmail. One of the icons is a little downward pointing arrow. This is the download icon. Clicking this will initiate the download process. Once you click the download icon, your browser should automatically start downloading the file. Depending on the browser and your settings, the download might immediately begin, or you might be prompted to choose a destination folder on your computer. I recommend setting your browser to ask for a destination each time, so you always know exactly where your files are going. If your download doesn't begin or you can't find the downloaded file, check your browser's download folder or menu. Most browsers will have a designated space for keeping track of recent downloads, which you can usually access via a menu option or a shortcut key. Regularly clearing out this folder is a good habit, as it tends to accumulate files over time. It's that simple. You've now successfully downloaded an attachment from Gmail to your computer. With just a few clicks, you can save important emails onto your device, ensuring you have access to them offline whenever needed. As a tip, remember regularly to back up important files and keep your security software updated to protect your downloads from any potential risks. This step-by-step process will make downloading attachments from Gmail a breeze every time you need it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and guides. Happy downloading!